Dear champions, so in our previous video we have learned the basic concept of number system and we solved the 20 questions in our previous video. So remain 10 questions we will solve today. Okay, so I have some questions, I have some easy questions of the number system that we will solve today. The first question is 2 to 5. Okay, the your first question is 2 to 5 मतलब 225 to the power 0.2 into 225 to the power 0.3 upon 225 to the power 0.8 into 225 to the power 0.2. This question we have. Okay, so we will solve this question. First we will see that we should remember identity that x to the power m into x to the power n means x to the power m plus n. Okay, this identity is going to remember in your mind. Okay, so according to this identity, what will we do? We will add these two. Okay, these two, or other concept is coming in my mind that if we can cancel out these two. Okay, so another identity we can use here, x to the power m divided by x to the power n equals to x to the power m minus n. So from this we will subtract this from this. Okay, so what we have? We have 1 upon 2 to 5 to the power 0.8 minus 0.3. Okay, here minus is there. This means 2 to 5 to the power 0.5. What it mean? If you don't know the direct value, then we will solve like this. 2 to 5. Okay, 0.5 means 5 upon 10 means 5 1 5, 5 2 10 means 1 upon under root 2 to 5. But it means 1 upon 50. This will be the answer. Okay, so the next question is coming in my mind. Okay, so the next question is, what will be the unit value of, means the next question is find unit value. What will be the unit place or unit value of 13 to the power 22003. Okay, so what we will see? We will see that here 3 is the unit value, means 3 to the power 2003. I know that 3 to the power 4 equals to T1. Okay, means the unit value is 1. So what we will do? 3 to the power 4 to the power 50 means 2000 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, the value of this will be 1 and the value of this 27. Then the unit value will be 7. Okay, this will be the final answer. So moving to the next question. The next question is, let me rough it. Okay, just small questions are there, no matter tricky questions. Okay, just small question we will do today. The next question is third question from this video. 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 3 by 5 to the power, you can take 4. Okay, equals to the 3 to the power 5 to the power 2x minus 1. We should find the value of x. So what will be the value of x? Same formula we will use, x to the power m into x to the power n equals to x to the power n plus n. Okay, this is the basic formula. So what will be here? 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 3 to the power 5, 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3 plus 4 equals to 3 to the power 5, 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. So we will equate the power, means this will be your 1 equals to the 2x minus 1, means 2x equals to this minus will come here, then it will become 2. Okay, the value of x will be 1. So moving to the next question. The next question is 465. Okay, 465 plus 415. Your next question is, let me rough it again. Moving to the next question. Your next question is 415 plus 415 plus 465. Okay, 465 to the power whole means square. It will be the 4 question. Minus का 4 into 415 into 465. So what will be the basic identity of this question? You should know that a plus b to the whole square minus 4ab equals to a minus b to the whole square. This identity will come here. Means if I will write the identity, what will be the identity? A plus b to the power whole square minus 4ab equals to e minus b to the whole square. The result of this identity I have told you in my previous video of basic identities. You can see there. Okay, go in my channel and search the basic identities. Okay, so according to this identity, this questions fit. Okay, so what will be the value of a? The value of a equals to 415, or you can say 465. The value of v equals to 415. Okay, then the final answer will be 465 minus 415 to the whole square. Then 65 minus 15 means 50. 50 to the whole square means 2500. Okay, 2500. Okay, this is the solution of this question. So moving to the next question. The next question is, okay, I will love it. Just some small questions are there. They are the very easy questions. Maybe I'm going to write the next question which will less tricky. Okay, the question is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 20 the whole square. Okay, if 1 square plus 2 square, this is the question. If 1 square is 2 square to the 20 the square equals to 2870. Then what will be the value of 2 square, 4 square, 6 square up to 40 to the whole square? Means this we have to find, and this is given. Okay, so what we will do, we will see here 1 into 2 to the whole square. Okay, here we will see 2 into 2 to the whole square. Okay, here we will see 2 into 3 to the whole square up to 2 into 40 to the whole square. Okay, what we will see? We will see that 1 square into 2 square. Okay, plus 2 square into 2 square plus 2 square into 3 square up to 2 square into 40 to the whole square. Okay, what is common here? We will see that 2 square is common here. Then next will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 40 to the whole square. Sorry, 20 to the, here we will see 2 into 20. Okay, this will be your 20 square. Okay, so 2 square is remains same. The value of this is equal to 2870. So the final answer will be 4 into 2870. Means 4 7 are 28, 4 is 32, and 35 36, or 4 2 is 8 and 3 11. 11680 will be the final answer. Okay, so moving to the next question. He asked us what will be the value of 108 to the whole square. Okay, he asked what will be the value of 108 to the whole square. So again, what will we see? What we will do? We will split it into two parts. Means 100 plus 8 to the whole square. Okay, then 100 means what will be the basic identity? A plus b to the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the basic identity we should know. Okay, we should remember it. So what will be the value of a? The value of a will be 100 and value of b will be 8. Okay, So what we will do, we will do 100 to the whole square from this to this, 100 to the whole square plus 8 to the whole square into 2 into 8 into 100. This will be your, okay, this will be your 64, this will be 8 to the 1600. Okay, but we will do plus 1664, then what will be the answer? 11664. This will be your answer. So here if anyone will ask the value of 98, okay, this is your 7th question and this is your 8th question. We will solve only 10 questions. After that we will start the next chapter of computation mathematics. Okay, so this is the final video of the first chapter, number system. So what we will do for the 98 to the whole square, we will also split into two part, 100 minus to the whole square. Okay, similar identity we will use. It is seem to be clear for you. Okay, so what will be the value of this? E square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so but the value of a means 100 to the whole square, b means 2 the whole square, minus 2 into 100 into 2. Okay, so this will be your 10,000. Okay, this will be your 4, this will be your 400. Okay, so what we will do, 104 10004 minus 400, then what will be the value? 100. Okay, here 004 10. Okay, what we will subtract here. Okay, this will be your 0, this will be your 4, this will be your 0. Okay, this 100 minus 4 10 minus 4 will be 6, this will be your 9. Then what will be the final answer? 9604 will be the final answer. Okay, so moving to the next question. I so it is clear to you how we will solve the square of these numbers. So moving to the next question, the next question comes in my mind is, what will be value of, okay, let me see what is the question. The question is 1 minus 1 by 3 bracket 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, okay, and 1 minus 1 by 5 and 1 minus 1 by 5, moving to the here, and 1 minus 1 by, and this is your question. Then what will be the value of 8? Okay, what we will see here, we will see that 3 minus 1 means 2 by 3, okay, into 4 minus 1 means 3 by 4. Similarly this will be your 4 by 5. Okay, 5 minus 1 ki now 4 by 5 up to here it will be n minus 1 upon n. So we will see here from 3 to 3 will be cancelled, 4 to the 4 will be cancelled. Similarly the here one term will be there, n minus 1 to the n minus 1 will be cancelled out. We can see that n minus 1 upon n means if the value of n is 5, then the value of n minus 1 is 4. If value of n is 4, then value of n minus 1 equals to 3. So here we will see here only 2 is here remains, and here only n is remains. The final answer will be 2 upon n. This is your 9th question, and the last question is okay. So the last question of yours is 16 into 12. Okay, means 10th question, 16 into 12 minus 672 divided by 21 equals to question mark minus 211. This is a question we have to find the value of this question mark. What we will do, 16 into 12 minus 21 3 ja 63 and 21 2 ja 42 equals to question mark minus 211. Okay, so what we will do, we will split 32 into two part. What will I do? 16 into 2 equals to question mark minus 2 1 1. ठीक. So 16 will be common here. Then what we have 12 minus 2 equals to question mark minus 2 1 1. Okay. So 16 into 10 equals to question mark minus 2 1 1. This will come here, means 160 plus 2 1 1 equals to question mark. What will be the value? 371. Okay, 1 6 6 1 7 and 2 and 1 3. So value of question mark will be 371. So this is all about your last video of the number system. Okay, so we solved the basic concept of the number system. After that we solved the 30 question from the one chapter. Now in the next video we will solve the next chapter of the competition mathematics. I will try to solve these the competition mathematics in minimum times. Okay.